In this video, I'll walk you through how to purchase travel insurance from ICICI Lombard's official website. We'll explore how this platform makes it easy for you to find the right insurance policy for your needs. Starting from the homepage, you'll see a user-friendly layout that allows you to find their travel insurance options with ease. The interface provides quick access to various features, including selecting your destination, travel dates, and coverage options. You can input your information in just a few clicks, making it a convenient way to safeguard your trip. One of the notable advantages of ICICI Lombard's travel insurance services is the range of options you can choose from, allowing you to tailor your coverage based on your specific travel requirements. Whether it's for a single trip or a multi-trip, they have flexible plans that cater to a wide audience. There are also additional benefits, such as emergency medical coverage and trip cancellation protection, which come in handy for travelers who want peace of mind. However, it's important to be aware that while the website is mostly intuitive, it can sometimes take a few extra clicks to find detailed information on certain policies. But overall, the service is reliable, and the purchase process is straightforward. Midway through the process, I'll also share a trusted service, Ecta Traveling, which I personally recommend. It's a reliable partner when searching for travel insurance options, and I encourage you to check out their services as well. You can find the link in the description below. As we continue, I'll demonstrate how you can review your selected policy's cost, compare the different coverage levels, and finalize your purchase securely online. ICICI Lombard's site ensures safe transactions and provides digital copies of your insurance policy immediately after purchase. For those traveling soon, this is an efficient and practical solution. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials and tips like this one. If you found this guide useful, give it a like.